Hi, welcome to AVA, AURI's virtual assistant. To get started, please select a profession from the available options. You are now looking at AVA's chat interface. Here are some predefined questions to help you get started quickly. You can select any question from this list, or you can type a new question in the box below. For example, how do I get a UPC code? Your response is now being generated. You can also ask a follow-up question for more details about UPC codes. Please ensure to provide proper context when framing a question or following up questions, as it helps generate more relevant responses. For example, are there other options besides GS1 US to get a UPC code? Here's your response generated by AVA. Now, if you want to ask a new question on a different topic, start a new chat session by clicking on the icon here. The chat screen is now refreshed, and you can type your question in the chat box. For example, as a manufacturer, how do I create a nutrition label for my product? After clicking the plain icon, you'll see AVA's response to your question, along with an expandable list of references where you can dive deeper. From here, you can ask a related follow-up question, or start another new chat topic. Additional icons above the chat box will let you copy the chat to the clipboard and paste in another document, such as an email. Scroll back up to the top of the chat or contact AURI directly. You'll also notice the blue thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. Please use those buttons to let AURI know how AVA answered your question. AVA only gets smarter when you let us know how well it did. Thank you for using AVA, AURI's virtual assistant.